Okay, hi children. Today we are going to our third unit. It's about Robinson Crusoe. Who is Robinson Crusoe, ma'am? He is an author. You just ask your parents who is this Robinson, what he will do. You just know who is the Robinson. So now we'll go to the lesson. Long ago, there was a sailor named Robinson. What is meaning by sailor, ma'am? Sailor means who will travel in a boat or in a ship. So one day there was a terrible storm. What is meaning by storm, ma'am? Storm means we can call it as a cyclone or tufan. Okay. So unfortunately Robinson Crusoe's ship sank. Sank means what? It's totally by that cyclone. That ship was in the water. He saved his life by swimming to an island. So what Robinson had done by going in the swimming, he saw an island and he got saved in that island. There was no one on the island. Robinson was alone in that island. So he was lonely in that island. Crusoe made a house on that island and started living it all by himself. He started living in the island. He had built the house. How he may build the house, ma'am? Like hut. He can build in that island with the help of leaves, branches and dry leaves, etc. So many years passed. So he was staying in the island, no? So many years passed. One day he was walking on a beach. What is meaning of beach, ma'am? In your cartoons, in your television, in movies, we can see what is meaning of beach. They will be shooting there. So he saw some footprints. What is meaning by footprints? If you place your leg on a wet clay material like mud, wet mud, you can see your footprints. So he saw footprints. He was amazed. Whose footprints are these? He thought. He also felt afraid. By seeing the footprints, he got afraid because in that island he was alone. He was alone. By seeing the footprints, he got afraid. So some days passed. One day, Crusoe saw a smoke going up at a distance. He saw some smoke from the distance. The smoke is going on. Slowly and slowly, Crusoe crept near the fire. Fire means what means? Tribal people, they will be keep the fire like this, right? So he did it very quickly without making any sound. Without making any sound, silently he went and he was seeing. He was frightened to see something. He got afraid to see something. Some people were sitting around the fire. The tribal people, what they will do, ma'am? They will keep the fire like this and they will be sitting around the fire. So they looked very wild. Tribal people, how they look? They look like us? No, no, they will be very wild, very strange. So Crusoe went near them. Crusoe went near the wild men. He saw two men tied up, two innocent people. The wild men tied them up. Soon the wild people killed one of the two men. What wild people, what they have done? They killed one of the man. Somehow the other man cut the ropes and started running. The wild men chased him. If we saw anything strange, we start running, right? From one place, that place to we'll go to another place as fast as we can. So that another man, he cutted his ropes. The wild men, they tied up now. So he cutted his ropes and he started fast running. So the wild men, what they have done? They were chasing him. So Crusoe had a gun. You look at this picture. Look at this picture. Crusoe is holding a gun here. So what Crusoe had done, he fired at them. He started firing with the gun. So the wild man had never heard the sound of a gun before. The wild man will be living in the forest only. They never see our humans like us. They never see the gun sound. So they got scared by hearing that gun sound. They ran to their boats and rowed away from the shore. What is meaning of shore, ma? Near the beach, full sand will be there, right? We'll call it as a shore. Seashore. Okay. So by hearing that gun sound, they ran to the shore. They climbed their boats and they went far away. So Cruz took the man home and gave him food. In island, he had built a home, right, Cruz? So he took that innocent man and he gave food. He named him Friday. Isn't it funny? A person name will be Friday. Your name will be Friday and Saturday? No, na. Why Cruz had named him Friday? Because he had found him on a Friday. So soon they both became friends. If we do friendship with new friends, if you are coming to second class, you will be getting new friends. You will be get friendship. You will be talking with them. You will be playing. You will be chit chatting. So Cruz also taught him to speak English. So he had a person to talk to him. Firstly, what happened, ma? Robinson was alone in the island. Now he got a person to talk, to make jokes, to chit chat, to spend time, to entertain. So I hope you understood the lesson. In next class, I will be sending the pics. What is this? All you just write, and these hard words write one time in your books, ma.